Welcome to the Program on Negotiation, Conflict Resolution, and Peacebuilding here at Cal State University, Dominguez Hills. This is a terrific program. It's an applied program. Now, our faculty come from a wide range of practices and disciplines, all connected to the dispute resolution field and restorative practices field as well. The program has a master's degree, and that takes about 18 months to finish. It can be done in a longer period or a shorter period, depending on the number of courses you take. Usually 2 courses is a full load, but you could actually take 3 courses if you had extra time in your schedule, or you could do it on a part-time basis, taking a course as you go. Because many of our students are practitioners already, coming from industry, different aspects of industry, they're coming in from jobs where they may take a course online and they will, combine that with their work. There are other students who come in and they actually come in from an undergrad program or from a traditional program related to conflict resolution and dispute resolution. And those students might take then a full-time load. So there's various ways to do this. The program has 3 focuses really. The focuses are labor relations, employment, and workplace. That's one area. Second area is family and child protection and probate mediation. All those things connected to the family. And then the third area is restorative and community justice. Restorative practices, we say, and community dispute resolution, community mediation. That's that third area. And all 3 areas in the industry are alive and well. So our program connects to these areas to make sure students can then get jobs in these areas. So we have a pathway through these practices to the various jobs. Our professors, they're practitioners first, and then they've come to teach in this program to develop and bring the skill sets to those students who come into their classes, and also their professional networks. Really, the professional network of the instructor is a really valuable source of social capital, professional capital for students. Our professors connect our students to those professional networks. It's a wonderful program, and I welcome you to check it out.